Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be using this Wet n Wild Pride palette. It's a limited edition for Pride Month. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be using this Wet n Wild Pride palette. It's a limited edition for Pride Month. This is the look I came up with today. Stay tuned to see how I did it, and I hope you like it. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you have, thank you so much for the support. And I hope you guys like my video. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Hello. Okay, everybody. So here we go. We're going to be using the Pride Wet n Wild Limited Edition palette. Excited to use this today. Look at all the colors. Shimmery black, gold, like a champagne white shimmer, and you got the green shimmer, and the rest are matte. Oh, I think this is shimmery too. Yeah, it has like a shimmer sheen to it. Really cute. So let's see, what should I use first? Let's do the yellow in the center. So I'm gonna get the yellow. You know what? I'm gonna spray it. No. Okay, so I got both the color on both my eyes. Can you guys see? I hope you can see it. It's hot, and Lily's on my back. So I'm gonna wipe off the brush a little bit, and then I'm gonna do the orange color. I'm gonna spray it just because. Okay, I know this looks a little wild, but we will blend everything together. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush right here, and I'm just gonna take it in the top to blend it all, blend the edges. Yeah, I'm having a wild hair today, and I'm just letting it be. Probably pull it up in a ponytail later. Okay, now I'm gonna get this little crease brush, and I'm gonna use this brush to get the purple. It's gonna be a wild look today. And I'm gonna place it on the outer corner of my eye. I hope you guys are having a really good weekend, or beginning of the weekend. Really good day. It's not as hot as it's been the last 2-3 days today, so it should be fine. I've been just hot and mad, like pissed. Hot and bothered. A little wild, huh? Okay, I'm gonna use this. This was part of the Wet n Wild collection. This fluffy brush. It's cute. I'm gonna just, with nothing on it, I'm just gonna blend the edges. See, I'm not using anything, I'm just blending all the colors together. Okay, so for the bottom of my eyes, I'm gonna use this, the purple one again, and bring it down. It's like fall out. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab this gold color right here with this small shader brush. It's a tiny little brush. It's from Real Techniques. And spray, and I'm gonna use that for the center. Okay, and let's see, for the top, I'm gonna use the powder Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC, and I'm gonna just use this for the top here of my brow. Okay, so I'm gonna put on some mascara and some lashes, and I'll be right back. I just wanted to mention, today I'm using this new, I just purchased this one not so long ago, and I actually really like it. It's called the Falsies Lash Lift by Maybelline, and the color is very black. I can't see. So today I'm gonna use for the lashes this double wispies, but I cut these in the center so they could give me that flared out look on the outer part of my eye. You see the difference? I cut them. Sometimes I'll wear these, but I like these when they're shorter. So I will place them and be right back. Okay, and now I'm gonna get, so lashes are on, and then I put more mascara in the center here because it was kind of like, you can see it. Maybe I should use this Real Techniques little comb. So this is Rimmel Scandal Eyes waterproof, and it's called Kajal, I think that's what it's called. It's the darkest, blackest eyeliner they have. I'm gonna use that to tightline here a little bit. Okay, now I will be using this concealer by Maybelline 150, and I'm gonna put it underneath my eyes. I already put mascara on the bottom lashes. It's gonna enhance and bring everything out. Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm gonna use this for under my eyes. So I'm gonna grab some with my sponge. Place it there. This is to set it and bake it, whatever. I'm gonna bake it. So now let's move on to the face, the rest of the face. I'm gonna use this one. This is like I feel like this is a blush brush. That's how I'm gonna use this one for. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink. I've been liking this one so much. I'm gonna grab some of that. Maybe it's for powder, but whatever. I'm gonna use it for this. Some blush here, and it's very fluffy, very puffy. There it is, you can see it. Then we're gonna contour. My favorite brush for contouring is this one. This one's by Real Techniques, and it's actually called Contour Brush. I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. palette. I like this one so much. It has a little highlight in there. You see how it, like, you could define it. So awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I love this brush. It's very precise, and you can also blend very well with it. Oh my God. That's a bit intense. Too much. I don't know if it's the lights, but I'm sweating. Sweating. Put some powder. Some Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. And I'm going to take this off a little bit, the powder that's under my eye. I'm going to take some of it off. Okay, so I was thinking of using this color today to complete this look. I want to see how it looks. I don't even know. This one is NYX Lingerie Lingerie Lip XXL, and the color is Warm Up. Red. It's not red, my little mermaids. Okay, so this is the tip of it. Okay. I'll take away a little bit of whatever I had. It was just gloss, the Milani gloss. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Uh-huh. Ooh, this color is really cool. I'll wear it. I like the way it looks. It's cool. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? I like it. My wild wavy hair. Okay, so that completes my look. We got everything down, blush, everything. I hope you guys like it. And I think this palette is really fun. Can't wait to use it some more. Use all the other colors. Let me see. Let me open it up again. Look, it's so pretty. I'm gonna try another look next time. But this is what I decided to come up with. This was random. I didn't even plan how I was gonna do it and what kind of colors I was gonna use. So it was fun. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching the whole tutorial and subscribing and liking my video. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. You guys have a great weekend.